Ready for the exponential machine intelligence megatrend? Well, in this series of videos, I present my top 10 AI stocks to invest in to profit from the exponential machine intelligence megatrend. Firstly, for a primer, do check out my two earlier videos, with the first illustrating why everything will start to change exponentially during 2022. And the second video explains how to invest in machine intelligence stocks in terms of accumulating positions and limiting risk. So my top 10 AI stocks are ranked in terms of risk versus reward and volatility. And I consider my top 5 AI stocks as primary, then the next 3 as secondary, and the last 2 as far more risky tertiary stocks. Whilst do remember that when investing in the stock market, your capital is at risk, so there are no sure bets. The stocks analysis will be presented in reverse order, i.e. the 10th stock on my list is my first video, as this analysis has first been made available to patrons who support my work. So for immediate first access to all of my analysis and trend forecasts, do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month. Facebook. You don't need to remind you of who Facebook are and what they do. Personally, I've been skeptical of investing in Facebook right from its IPO in 2012. In fact, warning at the time that this stock's not a winner. And for its first few years of trading, I was proven right, as the stock price collapsed to less than half its IPO high, falling from $45 to just $18. However, after those first 2 years, the Facebook stock built a base and started a relentless climb higher to stand today as a tech giant, heavily reliant on the development of artificial intelligence for its success, as Facebook has effectively embraced the advertising model for its primary business in the management of its social media architecture and its acquisitions of a string of companies such as WhatsApp, Oculus, Instagram, etc., having gone on a $20 billion spending spree. Clearly, today's Facebook is a lot different to the Facebook of 2012. So it definitely makes it into my top 10 AI investing list. Facebook's financials. Nothing surprises me more about Facebook than the fact it's gone from a loss maker to making a profit of $22 billion in 2018. So I admit I was wrong to write off Facebook 7 years ago when I thought it'd be lucky to make a profit of $1 billion per year. Because where the internet is concerned, everything is free. So when speculation was rife that Facebook would seek to monetize itself through membership fees, I knew that would not work. And lucky for Facebook, they never went down that route. Instead, they have embraced advertising and selling of user data. Facebook's profits and revenues are growing fast, which on a PE of 22 has Facebook fairly priced. Facebook's financials today are strong. That and its huge cash balance of $41 billion definitely supports its continuing exponential expansion as it gobbles up other tech stocks. Trend analysis. Facebook IPO'd in 2012 at just over $45, fell to $18 during its first year, where it remained for another year, following which the stock began a relentless climb to its recent peak of $220, a huge tenfold increase for all those who bought the stock during its first 2 years. However, as the 3-year chart shows, Facebook is volatile, having suffered a nosebleed dive from its 2018 peak of $220 to $120. You can't get much more volatile than that, which is why I don't consider Facebook a primary AI stock investment. It's just too volatile for that status. Long-term investing. Despite its recent collapse, Facebook is still up 44% and outperforms the S&P. The stock is consistently experiencing strong earnings growth as it has leveraged itself to the machine intelligence megatrend. Therefore, it is only a question of time before Facebook surpasses its $220 high and carries on into the stratosphere. Conclusion: Facebook is definitely an AI machine intelligence investing stock to hold as long as you are prepared to ride out its roller coaster, which on the plus side can from time to time generate buying opportunities as we witnessed during the past few months. Again, this whole analysis was first made available to patrons who support my work. So for immediate first access to all of my analysis and trend forecasts, then do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month, and ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for the next video in this AI stock investing series.